the last video we discussed about set, and I gave you a task also. That is the difference between intersection update, difference and difference update and all. So let's see the main difference. I'm going to tell you about the single one and you will understand the rest of them. So suppose if I have a set called A, I hope as of now you understand how we can do this. But again, if anyone is unable to understand that point, I'm telling you this in the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. In B, we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. Suppose because in offline such also this is the basically most frequently asked question actually in my offline classes. So that's why I'm telling you. So first of all, what will happen? Let me create the Venn diagram for that. So for A and B, we have 3 and 4 as common. 1, 2, 5, and 6. Okay. So if I'm doing here A intersection B, suppose A dot intersection with B. Okay. So what will happen? It will give me 3 and 4. Okay. It will give me 3 and 4. Or suppose if I'm using here difference. Okay. Like suppose if I'm doing here A dot difference with B. Difference with B. So what will happen? In this case, A minus B will give me only 1 and 2. Okay. Now, after doing this now, when you are going to check the value of A, it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, the before one, and in B also will get the same value, the original one. Okay. Now, let's see the difference when I'm using here A dot difference update. Now, what will happen with B? In this case, I'm getting the same output, which is 1 and 2. But when I'm going to check the value of A, it updates the original value to the difference value. So that's why the function name is difference update. Okay, so it update on the original value of A with the updated difference value, which is 1, 2. In B, it will be the same, which is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Same thing goes with the symmetric also. So if I'm doing here or intersection also, A intersection B will give me 3, 4. In A, it will give me 3, 4, but in B will give me 3, 4, 5 because in A, it will give you the updated value. But if I'm doing here B dot difference update A will give me 1, 2 again, will give me 5, 6 here. In A, it will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, but in B, it will give me 5, 6, the updated one. Okay, let me give you in the practical part also. Let's do it here in the shell part. Okay, suppose in A I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In B, I have suppose 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I hope you remember the Venn diagram for that. A dot, let me check here for the difference with B. 1, 2. In A, you can see. In B, you can see the original values are there. But if I'm using here the difference value, difference update. So difference value here in A you can see we'll get A 1 and 2, but in B you can see we'll get 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the main difference here. Okay, you can see. Okay, here you can see. I hope this part is clear. Same thing goes with intersection or whatever symmetric and all. Okay, thank you.